EPHOLILEYO. EPHOLILEYO. Phefumula kancane, khulula konke. Ngene kuthuleni kobusuku, lapho izinkanyezi zikhuluma phansi, zonke izinkathazo ziyanyamalala ekukhanyeni kwe-EPHOLILEYO. Amagagasi athambile enkondweni, akuthwala kancane kancane. Shiya umhlaba okhathazayo, phumule EPHOLILEYO. EPHOLILEYO. Njengomoya opholile kancane, vala amehlo, uvumele kugeleze. EPHOLILEYO. EPHOLILEYO. Konke wenzayo kulula manje, uphephile kuleli gagasi. Uyandanda emfuleni wokukhanya, isikhathi siyahamba kancane. Uphathwe iphupho elithambile, ubanje ubusuku ngobunene. Ukuphefumula kuyadula, inhliziyo ishaya kancane. Ukukhanya kwenyanga kuyahubela, kukubize EPHOLILEYO. EPHOLILEYO. Njengomsindo kude phansi, zizuthule ngaphakathi. EPHOLILEYO. Akukho kufanele ukubambe, hambela lapho amaphupho ekhona. EPHOLILEYO. EPHOLILEYO. Kuyakuthwala uye phansi. Umoya uthambile uyakugona, imicabango iyahamba kancane. Akukho kusela ukukukhathaza, izinkanyezi zikhanya phezulu. Zithobe uzinike ukuthula, zizuthula ukhula ngaphakathi. Ukuthula okungapheli kuyakumboza, ukhona EPHOLILEYO. EPHOLILEYO. Phefumula ujule kancane, inhliziyo ishaya ngokuthula. EPHOLILEYO. Kule ndawo uyakhanya, vumela ukuthula kugeleze. EPHOLILEYO. quiet light, where the stars hum soft and low. Every worry fades from sight in the glow of EPHOLILEyo. Gentle waves upon your mind, rocking you so deep and slow. Leave the restless world behind, come and rest in EPHOLILEyo. EPHOLILEyo, soft as winds that barely blow. Close your eyes and let it flow. EPHOLILEyo. EPHOLILEyo. All you are is all you know, safe within the ebb and flow. EPHOLILEyo. Floating through a silver stream, time dissolves and slips away. You are cradled in a dream, held in night's embrace so gray. Every breath a lullaby, every heartbeat calm and slow. Moonlight sings a quiet sigh, calling you to EPHOLILEyo. EPHOLILEyo, like a distant echo low. Feel the peaceful rivers flow. EPHOLILEyo. EPHOLILEyo. Nothing left to hold or show, drift where only dreamers go. EPHOLILEyo. EPHOLILEyo. Let it carry you below. Let it carry you below. Weightless in the velvet air, thoughts like feathers drifting by. There is nothing left to bear, only stars across the sky. Soft surrender, deep release. Feel the stillness start to grow, wrapped in endless quiet peace. You are home in EPHOLILEyo. EPHOLILEyo. Slow your breath and feel it slow, every heartbeat moving low. EPHOLILEyo. EPHOLILEyo. In this space you gently glow, let the silent currents flow. EPHOLILEyo. EPHOLILEyo. Drift and slow. Let it go. You are safe EPHOLILEYO, EPHOLILEYO. Phefumula kancane, khulula konke. Ngene kuthuleni kobusuku, lapho izinkanyezi zikhuluma phansi. Zonke izinkathazo ziyanyamalala ekukhanyeni kwe-epholileyo. Amagagasi athambile enkondweni akuthwala kancane kancane. Shiya umhlaba okhathazayo, phumula epholileyo. Epholileyo, njengomoya opholile kancane. Vala amehlo uvumele kugeleze. Epholileyo, konke okwenzayo kulula manje. Uphephile kuleli gagasi. Epholileyo, uyantanta emfuleni wokukhanya. Isikhathi siyahamba kancane, uphathwe iphupho elithambile. Ubanje ubusuku ngobumnene, ukuphefumula kuyakhula, inhliziyo ishaya kancane. Ukukhanya kwenyanga kuyahubela, kukubize epholileyo. Epholileyo, njengomsindo kude ophansi, zizuthule ngaphakathi. Epholileyo, akukho kufanele ukubambe. Hambela lapho amaphupho ekhona. Epholileyo, epholileyo, kuyakuthwala uye phansi. Umoya uthambile uyakugona, imicabango iyahamba kancane. Akukho kusela ukukukhathaza, izinkanyezi zikhanya phezulu. Zithobe uzinike ukuthula, zizuthule ukhula ngaphakathi. Ukuthula okungapheli kuyakumboza, ukhona epholileyo. Epholileyo, phefumula ujule kancane, inhliziyo ishaya ngokuthula. Epholileyo, kule ndawo uyakhanya, vumela ukuthula kugeleze. Epholileyo, 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 hamba kancane. Epholileyo, khulula konke. Uphephile, uthule, uphefumula. Epholileyo. Breathe in slow, let it go. Drift into the quiet light where the stars hum soft and low. Every worry fades from sight in the glow of EPHOLILEyo. Gentle waves upon your mind, rocking you so deep and slow. Leave the restless world behind, come and rest in EPHOLILEyo. EPHOLILEyo, soft as winds that barely blow. Close your eyes and let it flow. EPHOLILEyo, all you are is all you know, safe within the ebb and flow. EPHOLILEyo, floating through a silver stream, time dissolves and slips away. You are cradled in a dream, held in night's embrace so gray. Every breath a lullaby, every heartbeat calm and slow. Moonlight sings a quiet sigh, calling you to EPHOLILEyo. EPHOLILEyo, like a distant echo low. Feel the peaceful rivers flow. EPHOLILEyo, EPHOLILEyo, nothing left to hold or show. Drift where only dreamers go. EPHOLILEyo. EPHOLILEyo, let it carry you below. Weightless in the velvet air, thoughts like feathers drifting by. There is nothing left to bear, only stars across the sky. Soft surrender, deep release. Feel the stillness start to grow. Wrapped in endless quiet peace, you are home.